These are the three types of chemical bonds.
The ionic bond is a chemical bond that consists of nonmetal and metal. Example, sodium chloride. Sodium as a metal and chlorine as a nonmetal.
Thank you, God, for that brief explanation. So I'm gonna explain it more. So ionic bond is a bond again. Bond is a type of chemical bond that has a non-metal and a metal. So how do ionic bonds form? Ionic bonds form when a non-metal and which is can also be, or a non-metal too lose or gain electrons. Let us say sodium and fluorine. Sodium gives one electron to fluorine. It would the giver would be a positive and the receiver would be the negative charge ion. What is ion? So ion is just charged atom. In almost all of the periodic table, let us say sodium, fluoride, oxygen, and many more. There are two kinds of ions. As I have said earlier, negative ions and positive ions. There are more terms for that, more exclusive terms rather than negatively charged or positively charged. There is a cation, which is a positively charged ion, and an ion or anion or what you want to call it, what you want to pronounce it, is a negative charged ion. So when I say cation, it would refer to a positively charged ion, and anion or anion would refer to a negatively charged ion. That is it for my brief explanation of it. The next type of chemical bonding is covalent bonding. Covalent bond is a type of chemical bond that is formed when a nonmetal and another nonmetal shares electrons together. For example, H2O, which is a chemical name for water. Hydrogen, which is a nonmetal, shares 2 electrons to oxygen, which is also a nonmetal, while oxygen only shares 1 electron. Let us give another example. N4F3. I repeat it again. N4F3, or what would be called tetranitrogen trifluoride. Nitrogen shares 4 electrons to the fluorine or fluoride, and fluoride, which is fluorine formula for fluorine, would share 3 electrons to the nitrogen. So that is it for my explanation to the covalent bond. Thirdly and lastly is the metallic bonding. Metallic bonding is a type of chemical bonding when a metal and another metal combine each other. Metallic bonding accounts for many physical properties. Let's say strength, for example, matibay yung mga metal, diamond halimbawa, ganon. Ductility, thermal, electrical resistivity, conductivity, opacity, and luster. So, yan yung mga physical properties ng mga metal. Kaya nagiging matibay yung mga metal dahil sa metallic bonding. So, that is it for this performance task. Thank you very much for watching this explanation all about chemical bonding.